Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we make jewelry tutorials, clay tutorials and thread tutorials, a lot more. In today's video, how to make this beautiful thread earrings. So let's get straight with our before go park. Consider clicking the like button, guys. I do appreciate that. If you want more such video future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, if you are looking forward for new jewelry ideas or templates for your jewelries, for your earrings, then I have an entire PDF which contain top 100 of my best jewelry ideas, which you can very well take a printout of it. You can use them as a template for making your jewelry, the clay jewelry. The link is in description box below. It's a PDF download. You can very well download it. Without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. Result of beautiful red thread earrings. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you have any video requests, it's really welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in today's tutorial. I'll gonna see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye guys.